That's it. Like, what the hell is this? What is that? Hey you guys, it's your girl Simone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Simone, known as Naturally Simone here on YouTube. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back, gang. I miss you guys. Today I am here with February's first cash stuffing. And before we jump into that, you guys already know I always gotta put my plug in regardless, period, okay? So I make press-on nails. My business is called Press and Applied. So if you do want some press-on nails, check out my website. I am trying to work on getting some new sets out for you guys and all that good stuff. But if you do want a custom-made set, hit me up on Instagram, Press and Applied, and we can make that happen. Today we are going to be stuffing $400. Let's take out the money. And boom, I see a lot of you with this calculator and I didn't even know it was this big. Like y'all, like my hand, really? This is how my resin binder finally looks, you guys. I did show it on TikTok when I first was done, and I had it in my closet, and it kind of bent at the top, so I need to make sure I, store it properly to avoid the bending. That is how it looks. Check her out, check her out. Let me take out my wallet, take out any remaining change I may have, any receipts. You guys already know I did with the Fetch app. Turn your receipts into points and your points into gift cards. And all my information is on the screen and in the description box down below. Take out my coins real quick. And I just stuffed Snow and Coco, so check out my previous video to see how much coins I saved in January. That's it. Like, what the hell is this? What is that? That's it? Really though? Really though? All right, February's up to a great start. So let me take out my bills. And I only have singles, y'all. We have $7 in singles. So there's no money going into rollover because rollover only holds the 5s, 10s, and 20s and all that. So all this is going into my clear container. And boom. Since this resin binder is right here, let's get it out the way. Foiled is getting $10. Foil now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. $180. I did not do my cash unstuffing yet. I will do it right after this video. Usually I used to do it before. I honestly didn't feel like filming another video because I already did Snow and Coco in this video right now. So I don't want to waste all my weekend filming and editing videos. I don't feel like doing that. Not this weekend. So Nail Goodies is getting $5. Nail Goodies have 10, 15, 20, $20. Bath and Body Works is next and it is getting $5. Bath and Body Works has 10, 15, 20, 25. $25. It's like, since I'm saving up this money right now, I see a whole lot of sales going on. That is not okay. Like, really though. But I don't need any candles or anything so far since I did a lot of candle day and all that stuff. 11/11 is not getting anything. The Glow Up is for my birthday and it is getting $5. The Glow Up now has 25, 30, 35. $35. That is all for this resin binding, y'all. Let's knock out my 100 envelope challenge, and this week numbers are 40 and 6. So we're gonna do 2 20s for $40, which I really hate folding bills. It is what it is. $6, so we're gonna do a 5 and a single dollar bill for $6. $46 going into week 5 of the 100 envelope challenge. So let's jump into P&A because I'm only doing 2 envelope. P&A is my business binder. Nail Tech license is getting $10, which I need to condense these bills because it's getting too thick. $10. Nail Tech license now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 70, 95, 10, 30, 50, 70, 96, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 7, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 900, 905. $905. This is getting too thick for these little laminated envelopes. Supporter Biz is not getting anything, but Upgradea is going to get something, and it is getting $5 because I am saving up for Final Cut Pro. So Upgradea now has 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. $170. Boom, we are all done with P&A, y'all. Next up is Debt Killer, and Debt Killer is getting $100. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 5,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 50, 70, 90, $6,000. This is getting another 1K slip, baby. Okay. Taxes is not getting anything because this is for my YouTube taxes. And y'all, taxes is blowing mine for real. I see a lot of people going through it. I'm going through it now more than before because I've been paying YouTube taxes along with my W-2 for like the past 4 or 5 years or whatever. I can't remember how many years, y'all. But adding like my small business, and it's just so freaking confusing sometimes, but I feel like I got it down packed. But how much I will owe if I do not file with my husband, y'all, it's hurting my feelings. But this is why I have saved up for things like this and all that. But baby, y'all, like the IRS, y'all be coming for y'all coins. I don't blame y'all, but YouTube, y'all need to get it together because y'all have no problem taking out y'all part of the income, but y'all don't want to take out taxes and make it easy on us. That's not okay, period. Next up is Christmas, and Christmas is getting $5. Christmas now have 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. $98. Next up is Good Eats, and Good Eats is my groceries for the week, and it is getting $50. 220 is in a 10. Next up is Family, and Family is getting $5. Family now has 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. $90. Night Out is next, and Night Out is getting $3. 1, 2, 3, $3. Night Out now has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. $51. Bills is not getting anything because I am doing it bi-weekly. I was gonna do it weekly, but I want to just see how all these Netflix and subscriptions, other subscriptions that I have will increase for this month, for next month, whatever. So hopefully in March I'll be able to just do weekly cash stuffing of my bills. What I do is save for the next month. So February cash stuffings will be for March, March will be for April, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. And that is just it. Before we jump into my clear binder, it is time for the question of the week. And this week I want to ask you guys, do you have any plants? Like, are you a plant parent? Because I have a whole lot of plants. Currently, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 plants. And I probably had like around like 15 at one point. Probably like 17, no lie. So leave me a comment down below if you guys are a plant parent. Like, yeah, that's it. So jumping into the money challenge. This is for my birthday challenge, my golden year birthday challenge, and it is getting $28. So 20, a 5, and 3 singles for $28. Let's see how much I have now. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. $56 in the money challenge. Next up is Health, and Health is getting $10. Health now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. $89. Next up is Rollover, and like I said, Rollover is not getting anything because I don't have any 5, 10s or 20s. Next up is Braces, and Braces is getting $35 this week. So 20, 10, 5. $35. Braces now have 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 50, 70, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, $300. My braces payments is $150. And you know how sometimes like certain months have an extra week, so all that extra money just been you know, rolling over. Hopefully by the end of maybe this year or early next year, I will be completely done with my braces treatment. Next up is You Never Know, and You Never Know is my emergency fund. It is getting $10. I do not count this envelope, y'all, but I do need to condense these bills. If you want to know how much money I have in this envelope, check out how much money did I save in 2021 for you guys can have an idea of how much money I have in my emergency fund. Next up is Fur Babies, and they are getting $10. Fur Babies now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $130. Hello Coffee is last, and it is getting $5. They went up on those espresso pods, and I am not okay. Like, I was gonna make a big old purchase January 31st, and y'all, I deadass didn't even use my coupon. Next thing I know, people posting all online that started in February, they increased their pods. I went on the app, y'all, and I was like, baby, that's not okay. I should have just made my purchase the day before like I was going to with that coupon. I played myself. But anyways, Hello Coffee have 50, 70, 90, 110, 15, 16, 17. $117. And that's all for my findings, you guys. So let's go over to my wallet. Spending is getting $10. Miscellaneous is getting $10. And my transit for my Metro card is getting 33 bucks. And that's everything that's remaining. And boom. We went over to my trackers, you guys. For the 100 envelope challenge, we did 40, which is right here. And 6. And for my golden year birthday challenge, this is how the tracker looks that I made. I will be able to save $1,232 by my birthday, and we did another 28, so we're gonna fill it in right there. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video, and if you have enjoyed, be sure to leave your girl big old thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family. I would love to have you all with me. You can find me on Instagram at BudgetwithSimone, my fitness Instagram curlygirl_getsbit, and check out my website pressedandapply.com for your own press on nails. Until next time, you guys, be well, be safe, and I'll catch y'all all in the next video. Bye bye.